Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. South Africa women took an unassailable 3-0 lead in their 5-match ODI series against the West Indies after another masterful display with bat and ball at the Coolidge Cricket Ground in Antigua on Monday after being dismissed for 157. More from Jerome Foster.
Sent to bat, the West Indies women once again started slowly, with Hayley Matthews 2 being dismissed for her third single-digit score in the series. Jamaican Chedi Nation, who was promoted to 3, did little to trouble the scorers, making just 1 with the host, 2 wickets down for 9 runs. However, destined to hold her place in the team, another Jamaican, Rashada Williams, joined forces with the experienced Deandra Dottin, and the two shared in a third wicket stand worth 77. However, after Williams was dismissed for 37, the South African bowlers clawed their way back into the contest, taking the last 7 West Indies wickets for 71 runs. Shabnin Ismail was the pick of the South African bowlers with 3 for 31, while Ayabonga Kaka and Sune Loose both had 2 wickets apiece. With just 158 to get to win the series, South Africa raced to victory for the loss of just 2 wickets. Lizelle Lee, who ended not out on 78, added 122 runs for the first wicket with Laura Wolfart, who made 53. Captain Dane van Niekerk then added the finishing touches with an unbeaten 18. Kiana Joseph ended with 2 for 24 for the hosts. The 4th ODI will be played on Thursday at the same venue.